Hey guys, welcome to Divine Dish. I'm Purushottam. So today I've brought a very wonderful Gujarati recipe called khichdi with kadhi. This recipe is very simple to make and a perfect option for your lunch. So let's start making this khichdi with kadhi. So the ingredients you need are 1 cup soaked chana dal, 2 cups soaked rice and 4 to 5 green chilies and 2 cups of mixed veggies. The ratio of dal and rice is up to you. Make sure you add lot of veggies in your khichdi. So heat some oil in a pan and add your cumin seeds, mustard seeds, chili flakes, urad dal or whatever seeds or flakes that you want to add. You can add it this time. I'm gonna also add my dried red chili, which is personally my favorite, which I add in every recipe. And now I'm gonna add my green chilies and saute them for a while. Then I'm gonna add my mixed vegetables. Make sure khichdi should be of lot of vegetables. Here I have took 6 kinds of vegetable. You can take 3 kinds or 4 kinds, that up to you. So veggies is up to you. And now I'm gonna add my spices like turmeric powder, red chili powder, salt and coriander powder, and if any other spice that you want to add, then you can also add at this stage. So now I'm gonna mix all my spices into the vegetables and cook this for 5 minutes. Don't overcook because these vegetables will be again boiled when we are boiling the rice in it. So after 5 minutes I'm gonna add my 2 cups of rice and also 1 cup of chana dal. Make sure that I have soaked these two for 2 hours and mix it very gently so that we should not break the rice. And in this mixture I'm gonna add 6 cups of water. I have took 2 cups of soaked rice and 1 cup of chana dal, means total 3 cups of grains. So make sure that your water quantity should be double the quantity of rice plus dal. Mix it properly so that veggies and the rice is combined properly. And I'm gonna cook this on high flame for 15 minutes. Make sure keep the lid so that it can cook nice, even and fast. So mix once in a while so that the veggies spread evenly. So you can see after 15 minutes my rice looks cooked, and simmer it for more 5 minutes. So let's start making curry. Curry is very simple to make because you need not to make any pre-preparations for it. So you will need 1.5 cups of curd, green chilies 5 to 6, an inch of ginger and 3 tablespoons of besan. So I have took a bowl and have added my curd and besan into it, and also the paste of green chili and ginger that I have made. Along with this I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of salt. After adding the salt, mix this mixture thoroughly. After mixing it, I'm going to add 1.5 cups of water into it, and again mix this mixture until there are no lumps in it. I'm going to take a kadai and heat it with some ghee. In this I'm going to add my cumin seeds, mustard seeds or any other seeds with my red chilies. Always kadai is recommended to make kadhi. So let them splitter a little bit, and in this I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, and also I'm going to add my curd mixture into it. Mix this properly, and I'm going to boil this mixture on medium flame for about 15 minutes. Make sure to mix it in between. So after 15 minutes you can see that mixture is nice and thick. So at this stage I'm gonna add again 1 cup of water and again boil it for another 10 minutes. Also add dhania powder and garam masala at this stage. So you can see after 10 minutes of boiling medium flame, the oil is oozing out. This is the best sign that your curry is nice and ready. So if you want your curry more thicker than this, then you can boil it for another 5 minutes. And yes, it's done. I'm gonna serve my khichdi with curry with some papad. Thanks for watching guys. Share it with your friends, and if you want any recipe from me, you can comment in the comment box, and like, share and subscribe to Divine Dish. Meet you in the next episode.